Please make lots of noise, put your hands together for the fantastic Mark Jennings Stage School! That was absolutely fantastic. Give them a massive round of applause. In fact, that was so good. Who thinks they should do it again? Yeah! Let's do it again, the Mark Jennings Stage School!
What does it mean to be Welsh today? It's not what you think. The Welsh are okay. According to them, we're as old as can be. We sing for our summer. We sing for our tea. We compete every year in the I said goodbye. When we heard our voices up to the sky, with lips of quiver and hearts of flame, we sing our anthem again and again. My dear Margaret,
Was absolutely superb. What does it mean to be Welsh today?